want to become a leader in life? Well, in Gita, I learned that to become a leader, we need a goal for the welfare of the society. To achieve that goal, we need to do righteous action, and also we need to have an attitude of detachment towards the result. Because if you're attached to it, then for every success you will be carried away by the joy, and for every failure you will become sad. In Gita, I learned how to make a goal, how to understand what is my goal, and also learned about the greatest goal of my life, that is to be happy. Come learn Gita in the Gita Amritam and enjoy and become truly happy. Thank you.